Alright, so in the US system of measurements, we have a couple of, we have a specialized unit for measuring areas, and we call these acres. 1 acre is 160 square rods, it's 4,840 square yards, it's a bunch of square feet. 1 square mile is 640 acres. I don't know, there's a bunch of conversions you could use here. But in this problem, we're saying convert acres to square miles, so it looks like this equality is the one I want to use because it involves square miles and acres. So I'll go 4,800. We're going acres. Let's see, that's on the top, so I want acres on the bottom, and therefore square miles on the top. It looks like 1 square mile is 640 acres. So that means I just need to take this 4,800 divided by 640. Acres will cancel with acres, and we'll be left with square miles. 4,800 divided by 640. You may be wondering why I'm going through this whole fraction process when ultimately all I'm doing is taking 4,800 divided by 640. But really it's because going into these problems, you don't know which way these are going to go. You don't know if you're going to be multiplying by that number or dividing by it, and you don't want to rely on your intuition for all these things because it'll be wrong probably about half the time would be my guess, and that doesn't make for a very good grade. So I'm giving you a way that doesn't rely on your intuition. So let's go 1,110 square yards. And we're trying to convert this to acres. Looks like there's an acre here. There's a certain number of square yards there. So that's the conversion that I'm going to use. I'm going to say, well, square yards go on the bottom part, 1 acre on the top. Oops. I mean, yeah, I guess it is 1 acre. I usually wait to fill in the numbers. Alright, so 1 acre is 4,840 square yards. And so we can do 1210 divided by 4,840 gives us 0.25 acres. It's a quarter of an acre. Square yards cancel. We're just left with acres as a unit.